more, and welcome to CIC Library Online Lection.
Today, we will find out physical and chemical changes in matter. What is physical change? Physical change is a change that does not involve the formation of new substances. The type of matter an object is made of does not change. There is a change in the shape, size, or other physical properties of an object. And most of the changes can be easily reversed. Examples of physical changes: chopping a banana. Since cutting a banana only changes its appearance, a new substance is not formed. Cutting a log into smaller pieces changes its size and shape, but it's still a wood. Mixing sand and water. Breaking a glass. Chopping vegetables. One way to identify a physical change is that a change is reversible. It can be changed back to its original form. For example, when we put some water in the freezer, it will turn into ice. If we warm the ice, it melts and changes back into water. Melted chocolate can be put in a fridge to reharden. If we stretch a rubber band with force with our hands, it undergoes a change and its length increases. But on releasing the force, the rubber band comes back to its original form. Dissolving salt in water. How do you think we could reverse it? Let's take some salt and dissolve it in a beaker. A salt solution is formed. We keep the beaker containing salt solution over a burner and evaporate it. On evaporation, water is gone and salt is left behind. Look at the pictures. Underline which one is reversible. Very good. Melted butter is reversible. Correct. A broken pencil is reversible. You are right. A folded paper is reversible. Another change in matter is chemical change. But what is a chemical change? Chemical change is a change in which one or more new types of matter form. Substances react to each other. They combine in new ways to form another substances. The old matter is not lost, just changes to a different kind of matter. Examples of chemical changes. First, we have iron rusting, burning firewood, frying an egg, fireworks exploding, and fruit ripening. Because chemical changes produce new substances, they often cannot be reversed or get back its original form. For example, you can't change a fried egg back to a raw egg. When you burn wood, you get ash and smoke. You cannot change the ash and smoke back to wood again. Some chemical changes can be reversed, but only by other chemical changes. For example, to undo the stain on the coins, you can place them in vinegar. The acid in the vinegar reacts with the stain. This is a chemical change that makes the coins bright and shiny again. How can you tell whether a chemical change has occurred? Let's look for these signs. Clue number 1. Changes color. For example, green tomato turns red. Clue number 2. Different odor. For example, spoiled food. Clue number 3. Changes temperature without being heated or cooled. For example, rotting leaves in a compost pile become warm. Clue number 4. Bubbles form. For example, a vinegar is mixed with baking soda. Clue number 5. Gives off gas or gases. For example, burning wood gives off carbon dioxide and water vapor. And clue number 6. New solids form. For example, rust is created from the steel. What you see happening to the apples is a chemical reaction. And in a chemical reaction, the molecules change. Vinegar reacts with baking soda, and one product of that reaction is carbon dioxide gas. This explains the fun fizzy bubbles that erupt from your apples. What have we learned about physical and chemical change? In a physical change, only physical properties change. Chemical properties do not change. No new substances are formed. Generally easy to reverse. And no energy is produced by the substance. In a chemical change, both physical and chemical properties are changed. One or more new substances are formed, not reversible without another reaction, and energy is often produced. Example, heat or fire. Which is a physical change and a chemical change? Put a green circle around the physical change and a red box around the chemical change. Correct! Slicing bread is a physical change, while lighting a match is a chemical change. Very good! Boiling water is a physical change, while baking a cake is a chemical change. Correct! Chopping wood is a physical change, while spoiling milk is a chemical change. Correct! Decaying leaf is a chemical change, while fresh lemonade is a physical change. Very good. Rusting bicycle is a chemical change, while melting ice cream is a physical change.
That's all for today, and see you again in our next episode, only here on CIC Library Online Lection.